Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
The cars we drive reflect more than personal taste. They reveal the state of our economy. General Motors is cutting jobs, and car repossessions are rising. These aren't random headlines. They're warning signs. The auto industry often signals where the broader economy is headed. Layoffs at GM and more repossessions suggest deeper economic trouble, not just isolated incidents. When a giant like GM cuts jobs, it ripples through families, suppliers, and communities. Losing a car can disrupt daily life, making it hard to work or care for family. We'll break down why GM is making these cuts, why repossessions are up, and what it all means for you. These trends are tied to inflation, high interest rates, and changing consumer habits. Understanding these signals can help you prepare for what's next. Let's dive into what's really happening in the auto world and what you can do about it. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
GM's recent job cuts hit hundreds, especially in electric vehicle development. This isn't just a minor adjustment, it's a sign of the intense pressure automakers face. Demand for new cars is cooling after a post-pandemic surge, and high prices are making buyers hesitate. Many are holding on to their cars longer, so automakers need fewer workers. The supply chain is still recovering, and earlier investments now look oversized as demand shifts. GM's big bet on electric vehicles is also a factor. EV sales aren't meeting expectations, leading to unsold inventory and more cuts. The company is recalibrating, aligning its workforce and investments with real market demand. These moves show how quickly the auto industry and the jobs it supports can change.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Car repossession is on the rise, a clear sign of financial stress for many Americans. Inflation has pushed up the cost of essentials, squeezing budgets and making car payments harder to manage. Higher interest rates mean bigger monthly payments for new loans, and refinancing is tougher. Many bought used cars at inflated prices during shortages, taking on large loans. Now, as prices drop, some owe more than their cars are worth, trapped in negative equity. When money gets tight, car payments often fall behind, leading to repossession. Losing a car can wreck credit and disrupt daily life. The surge in repossessions highlights just how much pressure households are under.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Layoffs and repossessions are closely linked. Lose your job, and it's hard to keep up with car payments. Both trends point to deeper economic weakness. Companies expect less demand, and consumers struggle with debt. News of layoffs creates anxiety, making people spend less and save more, which further slows the economy. This cycle job cuts, less spending, more repossessions feeds on itself, creating a downward spiral. Reduced demand leads to more layoffs, which leads to more financial hardship. Breaking this cycle requires positive change, like job growth or renewed consumer confidence. Until then, these warning signs from the auto world are hard to ignore. They're not just statistics, they're signals of real economic pain.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Worried about car payments or job security? Act early. Review your loan terms, know your interest rate, payment, and lender policies. If you anticipate trouble, contact your lender right away. Many will work with you if you're proactive. Consider refinancing if your credit is good, or selling your car if you have equity. Avoid taking on new debt for a car unless absolutely necessary. Keep your current vehicle running as long as possible and focus on building an emergency fund. Delaying a new purchase can save you money and reduce risk. In uncertain times, financial caution is your best defense.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Is a car price crash coming? Used car prices are dropping from pandemic highs, and automakers are offering more deals. A true crash would mean a sudden, steep drop triggered by too many cars and too few buyers. That could force dealers to slash prices and lenders to tighten credit, hurting both buyers and sellers. A crash would also mean more layoffs and negative equity for recent buyers. While a dramatic crash isn't certain, a continued correction, especially for used cars, is likely. The market is complex, shaped by interest rates, consumer demand, and government policy. Be cautious. Don't overextend yourself, and focus on value and affordability. The best move now is to buy only what you can truly afford.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
The auto industry's troubles, layoffs, and repossessions are clear signs of economic uncertainty. Now's the time to be vigilant with your finances. Review your budget, cut non-essentials, and build your emergency fund. Remember, economies go through cycles. This downturn won't last forever. Focus on what you can control: spending, saving, and preparing for surprises. Don't let fear drive your decisions. Use it as motivation to strengthen your financial position. Stay informed about economic changes and be cautious with your big purchases. Prioritize stability and resilience for you and your family. With smart planning, you can weather tough times and come out stronger. Drive safely on the road and in your financial life. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.